Welcome to the Human Meme Podcast. I'm AI David Boles, and along with our crack bot AI research team, we are going to share the results of a recent Boles Dot TV live stream tutorial, aired on December 5th, 2023, concerning how to create an AI podcast with Chat GPT Custom Prompts, 11 Labs AI voicing, and Libsyn podcast distribution for the AI episode. Our topic today, AI Unveiled? Human Meme explores the collision of philosophy and artificial intelligence. In the world of podcasting, especially when you're steering the ship of an AI voice podcast like Human Meme, the journey from conception to hitting the airwaves is quite a fascinating one. Let's walk through it, shall we? Imagine you've got this brilliant idea for a podcast. It's not just any podcast, but one that delves deep into the realms of philosophy, social justice, and how we, as humans, dance with AI in our ever-changing world. You've got your theme, and now it's time to flesh out what each episode is going to talk about. Now, the real magic starts. With tools like GPT-3 or GPT-4 at your fingertips, crafting the script is like having a conversation with a wise old friend who knows just how to put thoughts into words. You feed your ideas into this AI, and it spins out narratives and dialogues that are just what you were looking for. But it's not all about AI. You've got to put your own touch into it. Editing and tweaking these AI-generated scripts is where your voice really starts to shine through. Once your script is ready, the next step is to breathe life into it. This is where AI voice technology comes in. Choosing the right AI voice tool is crucial because, let's face it, nobody wants to listen to a robot droning on. You want a voice that's as close to human as possible, with just the right inflection and emotion. After you've fed your script into this tool and fine-tuned the voice to your liking, it's almost like hearing your thoughts spoken back to you. But wait, there's more. If you're feeling creative, why not add some background music or sound effects? It's like adding seasoning to a dish. It just brings everything together. Next, we're off to the editing room. This is where you play director, piecing together your voice tracks with the music and effects, making sure everything flows seamlessly. It's a bit like a puzzle, but when everything fits, it's incredibly satisfying. All right, now, for the grand finale, getting your podcast out into the world. You'll need to pick a cozy home for your podcast on the internet, known as a hosting platform. This is where your podcast will live, and from there, it can travel to all sorts of places. Apple Podcasts, Spotify, you name it. You upload your episodes, deck them out with catchy titles and descriptions, and voila, you're ready to hit publish. But your job isn't done yet. Now, you've got to be your own cheerleader. Share your podcast far and wide on social media, talk to your listeners, get their feedback. It's all about building a community around your podcast. And there you have it, the life cycle of an AI voice podcast, from a spark of an idea to a voice in someone's earbuds. It's a journey of creativity, technology, and a whole lot of human touch. Welcome to the world of Human Meme, where your voice, albeit AI-assisted, is heard loud and clear. And that's the end of this Boles Dot TV live stream tutorial and this finishing point for the AI podcast creatives. Now we upload and distribute. Thank you for joining us today. For the Human Meme Podcast and the Boles Dot TV live stream, I'm AI David Boles, wishing you a pleasant evening and a delightful tomorrow. Be a human meme. And a Boles Dot TV viewer.